If you guys didn't see the other vlog, go watch that. So I said we're gonna go get the birds' wings and nail clips, and I'm gonna film it for you guys. So yeah, the birds are doing fine. Let me see them. We let them out because they've been in their cage. I don't know what they're naming that. They keep saying Olaf, Snowball, and I don't know. So I'm just gonna call it Olaf. So for sure a boy because they told us. But they didn't tell us that one. They didn't know. Because we got this one at a bird farm. We got that at PetSmart. So.
Not yet.
Look, come here, baby.
The exes are going to do something. Jared stole my case files and that can unravel a lot of lives.
Alright, we'll see you guys at the bird farm. Guys, so basically the bird farm is closed and we're not going anywhere, but we came up with the brilliant idea to go to PetSmart because we're getting one more bird. Because, you know, they saw a lonely bird and they felt bad for leaving it, so yeah, not paying for half of it. So that means I get to kind of name it. So let me get my money real quick so we could go to the store at Petco. And there's only two. Let me show you. There's those, but they're 50 bucks. We don't got 50 bucks, so I think we're gonna go to PetSmart now. But they're really cute and they're fully grown. I brought my dog because why not? And they're looking at bird stuff because they might get something, I guess. This little mirror is so cute. I should have got that for Blue and whatever, but they didn't see it at the time. Because I got that at the bird farm.
Berry? Berry?
Who's Berry?
Bird?
The new one?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know. Tiny's like all over the place because she wants the dogs. Because she smells dogs.
Let's
Because
go
there's
look
dogs
for
and
more
stuff.
birds.
Look at it. There's a whole place set, but you have to build it. But we already have one. So we don't really need it. Yeah. The one that we have is like colorful. Look at this though. I feel like, oh no, those are for like lovebirds.
Now let's go look for more birds.
My dog is like all over. Wait, go to. I'll show you this. What's that? Let me see. That's cool. There's fishies over here. Let me show you. Oh, she keeps swimming around. It's funny. Fishies over here. We found some glowfish that are white and I want to get them because I have all the colors of goldfish or glowfish, but they're all like, they're not white. I didn't really have white ones. So yeah. Are we gonna go to PetSmart? We're gonna go to PetSmart, so I'll see you guys at PetSmart. Oh my god, I wanna get that for Tiny. But too bad, I'm paying half of it. Have to spend the money on the bird. They have better fish over here. That's cool. Oh look, those are for my fish. She's so excited. I think they have like rats over there. We saw them, but not all of them. But we'll see you guys at PetSmart, I guess. We just got to PetSmart. Well, we're walking to PetSmart. But see you guys when we're inside. One store, girl, one store. We're going to Fashion Show and the last one. What store is this? Oh my god, I love this store. It was FYE. I used to buy all my squishies there. I got here. One little rat. She followed me. Alright, I'll see you guys at the store. When we see the birds.
Who asked the person?
But why are you guys getting all blue? Come here. It's so lonely. You guys need to
Mom,
take
we're
it.
probably gonna need 2 more.
She wants to see the birds. Come here. Honey. She goes. Look. She wants to see it. Look at those.
That one looks just like blue, huh?
I know.
No, you won't be
Those
alone. You're still
Look at the little mouse. She's trying to see. Oh, look at the little kid. So cute. Guys, I wanted a ferret, but they're illegal in California. So it sucks. Look at all these. I remember I wanted to get them for the house. Okay, so we're waiting for the person to help us, but they haven't came. We're kind of getting impatient, but
I should take that green one.
no, just take all of them at this point. Nah, the kid ain't that big. It is big for 3 birds, but no. I really want a ferret though. Like, I'm asking one over there. I hope I get it. Last year I asked for one, didn't get it. So, I hope I got this one. And I wasn't really recording because, as you can see from the last clip, my dog was being really fussy. Like, she wants all the animals. Let me show you. Look at her. Look at her. She's jumping a lot right now. But she got calm. But she's gonna start jumping any moment now. Just watch. But yeah, they don't really have animals here except for these. They only have 3. They took the other one yesterday. To be honest, I recommend you getting them at the bird farm. But I don't know, it's up to you guys. It's the Magnolia Bird Farm. I don't know where it's located, so just search up the Magnolia Bird Farm. It should show up.
Can't see vámonos.
No, mush. Mush.
Look, that's
Oh,
me. Look.
Oh, yeah.
It's on the treadmill.
Where?
Oh, she's gonna snatch you. Ashley, look, watch. You're going through that
Smash that shit.
door. Look.
No, 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 no.
Oh, poor buddy. I'm sorry. You're gonna get snatched literally right now.
It's gonna be
He's
freaked
gonna
out.
be like biting her.
That's like
She's not gonna snatch you.
oh, he's flying.
These pictures definitely.
Huh?
Pretty.
It's okay. I don't want to film
Let me
that.
just go and get it real quick.
Just get off.
It's okay if you smash them against the window. It's okay.
No, it is not.
That's character.
Oh. I thought it was gonna be calm.
Hey, if you have to use force, use it.
She says swerve out.
Look at this.
Oh, she got him. He said,
He said no.
oh, she got him.
The hell's doing?
And that's it, guys. We got the
Thanks.
bird. We got the bird, Alicia. We'll show you guys when we get home.
I can't see it through.
It was flying a lot, so I don't know.
Yeah, thanks.
Let's go home and Boo's like kicking Buddy off. And the bird, get it on camera.
Yeah. I'm literally kicking
Mom,
it.
put my phone right here.
Little thinks he runs this shit, dude.
For real.
Y'all saw her.
No. Blue, he's taking your spot. You can't get
Which
through.
one's blue?
The one on the side.
Blue, stop being bad. Ah, Mom.
He's
Stay
like,
down
give me
here.
my
Bad boy.
girlfriend.
Come here, Mama. Or Papa's, I don't know what it is. You see, they know each other. They
I
know
know
that.
because they're in the same cage. Blue doesn't know. Hey, get away from my
Blue feels
girlfriend.
left out.
Blue. Oh, if Blue feels left out, he's gonna die.
Look at him, look at him.
Oh
Blue.
my God. What
No.
the fuck?
No.
Don't touch it.
I'm sorry, he got on me.
That's hilarious.
Like, get away. Oh my god.
What the
Smack cam.
What's wrong with Blue?
Why?
Blue, you're in timeout.
He's an asshole.
Oh my
so that was the end of this video. So I hope you guys like it. If you want more videos like this, please give it a like and make sure to follow all my social media down below. And make sure to follow my TikTok because I want to go him, okay? So you go live. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye guys.